time, my name is LaShawn Adesimilolu. I'm the co-founder here at Rise Business Solutions, where we help motivated, inspired, very ambitious individuals to level up their lives by building and scaling profitable tax businesses. Okay, this is what I do, this is what I love, and I make it a point to come and teach and share what I know about building a profitable tax business. As you guys are coming in, make sure you drop some hearts and share the love and let me know where you're tuning in from. I'm going to quickly check that I can see myself and hear myself okay before I get started with this broadcast. Let me know how you guys are doing. How is your quarantine going? Everything looks good. Perfect. Okay. How are you guys doing at home? Are you guys motivated to still work? What have you been doing? Drop it in the comments and let me know. Today, I want to share with you 5 tools, 5 ways really that video marketing has really boosted my business, okay? And why I think it's very important for any tax professional or really any entrepreneur to start creating videos and having a video strategy. Okay? One of the first reasons is that video is queen. A video is king, right? Video is where it is at. 72% of people say that they prefer watching a video when it comes to learning about a new product or services. Okay. Even just think about yourself. When you want to go and learn something, when you want to go and learn something, where's the first place that you go? For me, it's YouTube. Whenever I want to learn how to do something, I like to go on YouTube and put it in the search engine, and I want to actually see somebody tell me how to solve my problem. And so videos is one of the best ways to increase your brand awareness and really get into the eyes, the ears, and the minds of your ideal audience. Okay. So video is, we really must be utilizing it in our business. One of the top reasons I have found that people do not do video is because of fear. Okay. You don't like the way you look on camera. You don't like the way you sound. What if nobody watches? Blah, blah, blah. It's a lot of fears and excuses when it comes to video. Now, I used to have those same fears, okay? It took me a while to get comfortable with doing videos. And then even going live was like a whole nother issue. I remember I would, come to do a live and, I would get all set up. And then when it came time to push that live button, it was like I couldn't do it. I kept talking myself out of it. But it really took me pushing past those fears, right? Getting out of my comfort zone to begin to do videos and to do lives. And I can tell you, this is when my business really started exploding, is when I started doing things like this. So it's very, very, very beneficial to our business. So number one, video is king. People prefer video, okay? Number two, it increases brand awareness. So let's say, for example, a lot of people who will be watching this video are tax professionals, right? Let's say I go on and I want to know what are some ways I, as an entrepreneur, can decrease the amount of taxes I owe. So I put in, how can I save money on my taxes? And then a tax professional who was brave enough to actually create a YouTube channel, they come on and they give me all of these knowledge, all of these deductions of what I can use to save money on my taxes. Well, guess what? Now I'm exposed to their brand. I'm looking at them, I'm looking at their channels. I see they do a lot of videos where they're just helping me. So for example, one of my peers in the tax industry, Lysandra Everett, we actually did an interview with her. It's on the YouTube channel. You can go back and look at it, how to start a virtual tax business. She is a home biz tax lady. So she gives a lot of tips about how to maximize your deductions as a home business professional. She does a lot of videos, have over 10,000 subscribers, right? She does a live every single day giving out tips. So if I'm an entrepreneur and I go to Lysandra's YouTube channel and I see she has a lot of videos and then she has a call to action to schedule a consultation with her. When it is time for me to do my tax return, if I'm looking for a professional, I'm going to consider Lysandra when it's time to do my taxes, okay? And we can do the same thing for our business. There's so many things that we know as tax professionals. There's so much value that we can give. And as we teach, we actually learn more. So if we are brave enough, which I challenge all of you to do as you're watching this, if we are brave enough to actually go ahead and create our YouTube channel and create our videos and put ourselves out there, I can guarantee you we will start seeing the results of this, okay? So definitely to increase brand awareness. Number three, tax YouTube channels are huge, okay? If you do not believe me, go onto YouTube and ask any type of tax question. There's going to be a multitude of videos that come up, okay? There was this YouTube channel when the stimulus check first came out. One of my clients actually sent me a video. She says, do you know anything about, small business lending? And at that time, I hadn't really researched because that's not taxes, so it wasn't my concern. But she actually sent me a video from a guy who had a tax channel. I think it's Clear Value Tax on YouTube. And in the video, he broke down about, all of the lending for small businesses. He also did a walkthrough of how you can apply for one of the loans. This guy has, I want to say, over 60,000 subscribers to the channel. Every other day, he's posting a video about tax tips, about SBA, stimulus, all the new things that they're doing. And he has 60,000 plus subscribers at the last time I looked at him. So guess what? We can do that too. As we get new information in, it would be very, very inventive for us to start sharing that. And if you are on the IRS mailing list, every other day they are giving some information for tax professionals. So even if we're being inspired by those emails, taking that information and sharing it in a video, we can upload that video and actually give out information. Now, it will be difficult at first to get up subscribers, but the more consistent we are, the more people that are actually going to subscribe. They're going to start to know us, like us, and trust us. And eventually, we'll be the person that they turn to when it's time to do our taxes, right? So, number three, YouTube is huge. So, we should definitely get a channel and get in on that. I know it's uncomfortable at first, but we must push ourselves past our comfort zone. Guess what, y'all? We were not created to be mediocre. We were not created to have a mediocre life. We were created for greatness. And so we must push ourselves outside of our comfort zone in order to realize that greatness. Okay? Can I get an amen? Let me get some hearts in the comments right now if you guys feel me on that. Any questions, just drop them into the comments. Thank you, thank you, thank you for catching the live. Okay, so just a quick reset. Number one, video is king or queen. People love it. People love to watch videos. Number two, it increases brand awareness. More people are exposed to our tax business or whatever type of business we have. More people are exposed to it. Okay. And number three, YouTube is a very, very great platform to get clients, right? Everybody is looking for how-tos. They're looking to learn something. So this is a great way to get in on that. Number four, it's easy to establish the know, like, and trust factor, okay? So basically, when somebody is considering buying from us, it's something called a buyer's journey, okay? They go through 3 stages before they actually decide to buy from us. First is awareness. Somebody has to become aware of you and what you do. Next is consideration. So once somebody becomes aware of you, they start considering working with you. They're browsing through your content and saying, oh, this is nice. I like her vibe. I like the way she does this. She seems very knowledgeable. They're considering working with you. And then last is the conversion, okay? Video is a great way to help speed up that process. Once you create a video, it lives on forever as long as you keep that video up. So if we are consistently teaching something, every week we're uploading a new video and we're teaching it and we're sharing ourselves and being authentic, people can watch that years from now, okay? The more that they watch and consume our content, the more they're going to feel like, you know what? I know her. I like her. I can trust her. She's coming every week. She's delivering value. She knows what she's talking about. Guess what? I want to work with her. Okay. And they will want to work with you probably without even scheduling a consultation because at this point, I feel like I know you. You know, you're my homegirl. I know you. And so, it's just a great way to increase that know, like, and trust factor and get people to actually work with you. Number 5, it kind of ties into number 4 because it helps you attract clients into your tax business. It also can help you attract team members. So, for example, we have a YouTube channel. We've had it, I want to say, a little over a year. And as a result of consistently making videos where we teach and we give value and knowledge, we have had people come up to us to work with us one-to-one, to work with us in a mastermind. We have also got team members, our tax professionals for our tax business, because they understand that we have the knowledge and they know us, like us, and trust us, and they want to work with us. So we have gotten team members, and that correlates to thousands of dollars in your business, especially the longevity of how long they stay with you. It also brings clients. So the more that we're visible on Facebook, on YouTube, on social media, that video is going to work for us. So as people know us, like us, and trust us, they're going to schedule consultations, they're going to schedule quotes, they want to do business with us, and we're not having to actively do any work. We just have to keep showing up and giving value, okay? This is why it's really, really great to utilize a video marketing strategy in our business. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this. You can use this for whatever type of business you have to establish yourself as an authority. So, for example, I'm also an author, a published author. I have a book, From Tax Preparer to Business Owner, the step-by-step guide to starting a tax business, okay? I wrote this book about a year ago, and I tell people in the book to come and watch my YouTube videos. So it's a great way to cross promote yourself. If you're an author, on the videos I say, hey, go and buy my book. It's a great way to promote yourself, to further brand yourself, and it's just a great way to increase visibility overall. If you are interested, right, in becoming a tax business owner, this book is very, very valuable. I would definitely not overlook having a mentor, but if you have already had a mentor, you've been in the business a number of years, and you actually want to take the next step to starting a business, this book is very, very valuable. It's going to walk you through step by step how to actually start that business. So you can get this on Amazon, iTunes, you can get it on Audible. It is all over the place, okay? So this is definitely a great tool. So if you guys are going to utilize a video marketing strategy, drop it in the comments and let me know. For the month of May, I'm actually going to be doing a live series where every week I'll be sharing how you can actually grow your business with video. So if you want in on that, please be sure to like and follow, subscribe, share this with somebody that it would benefit. And I just hope you guys enjoy it. And I will close out with saying, okay, my favorite mantra is every day in every way, I'm getting better and better. Okay, just remember that no matter what is going on, every day in every way, I'm getting better and better and better. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. I will see you guys next week with even more tax tips and training about how to grow your business. Love you guys. Take care.